tries to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment.
Vlog. So I'm about to show you guys this new bed set that I got from my mother. She hand sewed this bed set specifically for me because I asked her to, and she is selling them worldwide, I think. Right now we're doing US shipping only, but if you want one, you can get one. Just message me or leave a comment down below. I'm about to set my bed with this beautiful bed set, and you'll get to see the whole spread. It's just whoop.
So they not collecting my specimens down.
Claps.
Alright you guys, so here is the finished product. I absolutely love my new bed sheets that my mother made for me, especially this gold trim at the bottom. So beautiful and perfect touch, especially with my flower wall. Absolutely love it. So this comes in 3 or 4 colors, I believe. I'll put the colors on the screen, but this is my color. This is a camel. Absolutely love it. Perfect for fall. She also gave me this, but she didn't make it. But yeah, what do you guys think? I love it. I can't wait till I get a new bed when I move. But right now, 2 full size will do.